This is the new use for our main floor of the house.
Woo! Yeah!
An obstacle course. Logan, ride your scooter.
Yarr! Gongo! Yeah! Yeah! Boo, Aubrey.
From the living room, through the kitchen, into the master bedroom, and back again.
No! I'm gonna attack you with my wheel! Oh! Tickle, tickle, tickle. Hey! I love Lexi. I'm gonna get you. No, I'm gonna
This
get
is
you.
July 20th, I believe, 2012. And here's beautiful little Aubrey sitting on my lap. Hi, honey. Hi. You watching all this action? Yeah. Lexi and her sister and her brother Stephen and Mommy just came into town last night. They're having a ton of fun. Are you okay, Logan? Logan, you crashed. Are you okay?